Welcome back, guys. So this is the remaining part of the question number 47, in which we have solved all the digits which were composed of the 2 digits and the decimal numbers which were composed of 2 digits. Okay, so today we are going to solve the 3-digit numbers, and similar approach will be used for the numbers which are higher than the 3 digits. Okay, so here we have part K, in which the number is 125 and this is in decimal, and we aim to convert it to the binary coded decimal. Okay, so the similar approach will be used, in which we have to see the equivalent of this 5 in the decimal to BCD table. So this is now here, this is 0101. Okay, so that is 0101, that is the equivalent of 5. Similarly, the equivalent of 2 is this one is here, 0010. So 0010. Okay, and the equivalent of 1 as well, this is 0001. Okay, so 1000. Okay, so we can very easily see that these 4 are for this 5. Okay, these 4 are for this 2, and these are for this 1. Okay, so here we can very easily see that this 125, which is a 3-digit number, has been converted to a 12-digit binary coded decimal, because every digit here has been converted to the 4-digit equivalent BCD code. Okay, so that is the decimal. Okay, and this is in binary coded decimal. So that is the conversion. Similar approach will be used for this 156. Okay, this is part I here. So 156. Similarly here, the equivalent of this 6 is how much? That is here, this is 0110. Okay, so 0110. Okay, for 5 we have, let me write for 5 we have 0101. So 0101. Okay, and for 1 we have this one. Okay, so for 1, let me write here 0001. Okay, so we can see that this is for 6. Okay, let me write it with this screen. These 4 are for the 6. Okay, these 4 are for this 5, while these 4 are for this one. So this is 156. This 156 is in decimal, while these codes are for the binary coded decimal. So similar approach will be used for the numbers which are higher than 3, and in that now in those numbers we can see that every decimal number is converted to the equivalent 4 bits BCD. Okay, so every number, if you have 5 digits of the decimal number, so that would be 4 multiplied by 5, 20 bits of the BCD, and so on. Okay, so if you have n digits of a decimal, it will have how much? N multiplied by 4 bits of the BCD. So that is the formula, and just putting here the number of digits in the decimal, we will get that, we will multiply that with the 4, and we will get that number of bits in our BCD. Okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen that how to convert any decimal number to their BCD equivalent, and with some more examples and with some more questions and their solutions, I will see you in our upcoming video. See you soon.